This is Lisa from Datavoke. Today, I would like to show you how the link action works. This action allows you to link records from one view to another. So what I'd like to show you is how to link an inventory item to our subgrid here that's associated with locations within our facility. So in order for this action to work, it must be executed from a selection view. So what we need to do is on our New button, we need to have it open the selection view we want to link our records from. So let's open Design Mode. If we go into our New button, let's go in and edit it, and we're going to remove the New Record action, and we're going to add the Open View action so that we can set it to open our selection view. So now we can choose the view. So we're going to choose the item selection. This is the view that we want. If we go in, we can look very quickly at this view. And it's important to make sure that this view is set to a selection view. It has to be a selection view in order for the link action to work. So ours is set that way, so we're okay. So now if we save and capture the work that we just did, now when we click on our New button, it opens the selection view that we want to select our records from. So now what we need to do is add the link action to this view so that it'll link it back to our inventory location view. So let's open Design Mode again, and now let's add a new button to this view. So now let's go in and edit our button. I'm going to call it OK. I'm going to update the icon. And now I'm going to start adding our actions. So this chain is going to have a couple of actions associated with it. So let's start with the link record action. So down here, the only options we have is to set the target view. So this is the view that we want the record to be linked to. So we are going to choose the subgrid on our inventory location view, which is the item per location. And we can add a quick comment so that we know what this action is doing. And now let's add a refresh action to our calling view. We want the call action chain. And what we're going to do with this is we're going to choose our inventory location as our view, and then we select the action chain from that view that we want to run. So in this case, I want it to refresh. And the last action we want to add to this change is the close view. And we're just going to set this one to not prompt us when we close. So this action is now going to link the selected records, refresh the calling view, and close the selection view. So now if we save and close, capture, so you can see our new button. Let's close this view and demonstrate how this works from beginning to end. So if we click on our New button, it brings up our selection view, so we can select a couple of records that we want to add to this location. And if we hit OK, you'll notice that it adds those items to that location. So those items are now associated with B01-0203A location. That is how the link action works. Please visit us again for more helpful videos or stop by our support page at datavoke.com.